Looking for a smartphone tripod that enables you to get dramatic perspectives with ease? That's MagStick, a selfie stick that quickly transforms into a tripod in one quick motion. It's the first to feature a MagSafe compatible mount for iPhones and virtually any other phone model with a metallic ring. Its magnet is the strongest to securely hold your phone. Just snap it on, push the clutch, extend the rod, press the remote control button, and shoot away. Adjustable in a wide range, it gives you unlimited freedom to find the best position for self-portraits, steady video clips, or vlogging. A push on the quick clamping button will clutch your phone for fall-proof protection, and it can be extended to as long as 63.5 inches for worry-free shoots on the cliff or at the MagStick takes your photos and videos up a notch. It is designed to work with GoPro and cameras of all kinds, so you can capture the moments of your life in any way you want, whenever you want.